Hello.
Hi, Avinash.
How are you?
Good. Welcome
So good to
home.
meet you. Thank you for allowing us into your house.
I mean, you know, you are
नहीं,
very,
बंद कर दो, बंद कर दो
very, very
दरवाजा।
special.
बंद कर दो।
Oh, see.
Yeah,
see,
he's
this
there.
is-
He's there.
The problem child is there. Come on, let's go.
Let's go. But Neha, before we move in, what a lovely space at the entrance, right?
Yes! These, I want to tell you, they are our friend Prasad Nair, one of the most renowned photographers in the country, gave us these prints,
Yeah.
including this one here, and then we framed them.
Yeah.
And it's very symbolic of Angad's friendship with him. And then, of course, after I got married, even I got closer to Prasad. And, you know, he's just so talented. And I feel like all our friends who are photographers, because we have so many,
Yeah.
I'm kind of obsessed with picking their prints and asking them, you know, in different spaces, and we can put it up.
Yeah.
So,
वो सिर्फ 20 मिनट का है, अंदर आ जाओ, प्रवचन बाद में कर लेना। चलो।
Hello, how are you?
क्या हाल है?
हाल आपके?
you finished your breakfast?
हाँ,
Come
Oh,
on,
yeah.
look, sit here.
please.
As you can
Really,
see.
really nice house.
Oh yeah, thank you.
देखो आज आपको परमिशन मिली है घर में आने की।
जी.
You will believe it or not, मैं भी रोज परमिशन लेता हूँ अपने घर में आने की, क्योंकि this house belongs to my wife.
Yeah.
या हर घर में जब सुखी जीवन होगा, क्योंकि ऑर्डर्स पास होंगे हाई कमांड से, और हाई कमांड कौन है?
Neha Dhupia.
बस।
It's a Dhupia Bedi house.
Yeah, I have to tell you something very interesting about where he's sitting. Move, let me tell you. So we got these two artworks, and the way Angad's sitting, so he always sits here. And we got these two artworks, and it was actually good back to back. So this one was here, this one was here. And my mom-in-law, Angad's mom, came home and she was like, "Why are both of them not facing each other?" I'm like, "No, it's just a design thing." So she's like, "It's very symbolic of the fact that if they start facing each other, that means they are in agreement and they stand for love and understanding." So I said, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. And soon after that, of course, he had one of those, you know, little squabbles and little fight की, नहीं, Angad तुम ऐसे करोगे. She's like, मैं क्या सी? And then she put both the photos like this. And then we made up.
But welcome to our house.
Yeah.
And yes, welcome to our lovely, lovely energy space that has been made by our beautiful missus.
There
It's
you
very
go.
nice. Neha,
What
please.
can I, Avinash, what can I
Oh,
get
thank
you?
you.
Nothing.
Sorry, I'm a bit obsessed with like
Cleaning.
cleaning.
You're the Monica Geller of this house.
Yes, of many homes actually, not just mine.
ये थोड़ा यहाँ भी रहे,
Yeah. हाँ, रह गया.
ये थोड़ा वहाँ भी रहे।
पता है कहाँ रह गया और यहाँ रह गया, यहाँ लगा दूँ. You know, space is so important. Like, you don't want tight spaces. And we moved out of a home where we were living for many, many years. We made a lot of memories there as well. And, you know, I mean, that's always going to be our first love. But here, we're enjoying the space a lot. The kids get to run.
Yeah.
They're growing up in front of our eyes. And it's critical that, you know, sometimes, you know, we also have guests. So then there's also a huge demarcation. for
हमारे
sound.
घर में ना ये पहले कभी नहीं होता था।
हाँ.
जब like
I'm worried about what he said.
आफ्टर माय मैरिज में एक चीज सीखी, हमारे घर में एक इन टाइम है और एक आउट टाइम।
Yeah,
अच्छा,
yeah.
वो भी है.
Yeah.
मैंने कभी ये सुना
अगर
ही नहीं,
बेइज्जती ना करो.
बेइज्जती नहीं, बट देखो आप लोग शादी करोगे ना, वांट टू बी हस्बैंड, ये चीजें डिस्कवर होंगी, आप जानोगे
No,
कि
we're
व्हाट
not
इज
शादी
इन टाइम
में.
एंड व्हाट इज आउट टाइम. सो बॉयज, बी रेडी फॉर द आउट टाइम.
See, Angad
It's
is saying
not
Neha
an
runs a
out
very
time.
tight ship here.
No, I don't run a tight ship. Now, Avinash, no, you don't gang up.
टाइट शिप, Ani, that's a nice get. Tight
No.
ship, I'm going to use it
है
somewhere.
ना?
No, just because I'm a naval officer's daughter.
Yeah, she runs a tight ship.
Yeah, don't use marine words.
I walk a tight rope, she runs a tight ship.
No, I don't. But I'm saying that I only give an out time because people na need to value. अगर 8 बजे बुलाओ तो 9:30 तक कोई नहीं आता है.
जी.
So what I do is I'm like really looking forward to seeing you. Please, would love to have you over from 8 to 11:30. So I give the out time also in the invite. Yes, for many years it used to be like,
Yeah.
who does this? Or like kids month, so it's very normal practice.
जी.
Please send the kids at 4 and we'll be done by 6:45, 7.
तो गेस्ट का भी यही,
अच्छा.
पर अब मैंने
आओ लेकिन चले जा.
हाँ, जल्दी
Because you
जा.
know, कई बार ऐसे होता था, he was entertaining them, मैं अंदर जाके सो जाती थी. He'd be like, that's so rude. Now I don't know between the two which one you're stuck between the devil and the deep blue sea. तो पहले ही बोल दो कि भाई एक इंसान है जो सो जाएगा,
जी.
तो कोई कलेश ही नहीं. तो he's taken many years to come around. some things we've agreed on in 7 minutes. Like
तो
a,
आपने क्या करते
like
हैं,
a
मेरे जो
marriage,
दोस्त आते हैं,
like a
जो दोस्त
marriage,
आते हैं,
and some things like out time we've taken 7 years to understand each other, but that's what it is.
इन टाइम में
Like
जब
a
मेरे
rule.
दोस्त आते हैं तो इन टाइम में जो मेरे दोस्त आते हैं तो वो आ जाते हैं और फिर जो आउट टाइम होता है मैं उनके साथ चले जाता हूँ।
नहीं पर मैं
This
बहुत
guy is enjoying your humor a lot. आपका नाम
इन टाइम आउट टाइम हो गया, यू हैव टू फाइंड बॉयज
Yeah.
टू बी हस्बैंड, यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट
You're
ग्रे
married.
एरिया। जैसे आपको ग्रे एरिया मिला
But it's
घुस जाना।
none of them are married except him.
I think he's in they're in shock कि ऐसे होता है marriage. It
अब
is
करेंगे
like-
नहीं वो.
नहीं they're करेंगे.
अगर आप करोगे मुझे फोन कर
That's
देना,
why
आके
he's
मिल
looking
लेना
so
मेरे से एक
udas.
बार।
Yeah.
ये जो है it's a very nice space. The color is so classy yet subtle. कुछ डिजाइन था दिमाग में जो आपने
Yeah, a friend of ours, Nikita, she helped us do the place. And design colors, like I am somebody who's very into muted colors.
Yeah.
So anything bright throws me off. We have few elements of bright. Like we'll have एक mustard chair है, there was a point where I was almost borderline thinking कि एक छोटा सा सोफा हम fuchsia pink में करेंगे, but I was like no, Neha, I will change it. Like conversation, I was like अगले दिन मैं बदल दूंगी. So we chose emerald green. तो एक छोटे elements हैं और brightness, जैसे एक छोटी सी pop color turquoise blue wall है.
मैं वो एक छोटा एलिमेंट ऑफ ब्राइटनेस
No,
ज्यादा
ये
दिखूंगा
बड़ा
देन शी
element
गेट्स
of
थ्रोन ऑफ,
brightness.
तो मैं कम दिखता हूँ, कम।
So yeah, so like he's Angad's design sense is a bit more loud.
मासी.
See, yes,
But
that's cinema.
मेरा ये है-
Cinema is must.
Like even in the kids play area, if you see, most kids play areas when you go now, very bright colors. So we did a wallpaper that was black and white. बहुत options आई थी, color, नहीं color, but we chose black and white because I'm just one person who loves muted colors. I think bored भी नहीं होते. Like in the middle of the dining area, we just put a pop like of this hay mirror, थोड़ा सा island type feel आ जाता है. Like it's more resorty. And with kids, बहुत देर के लिए मेरे को एक चेस्टर चाहिए था एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट ब्यूटीफुल होम्स डोंट हैव टू बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. हमने बहुत अपस्केलिंग की है. हमारे आपको हम अंदर जाके दिखाएंगे दैट यू नो डैड की एक मंजी है where Angad sits and you know the kids sit, even I rest, guests come, and it's such a royal regal element. It was almost 100 years old from his home, from Angad's dad's home. So you know it's just and hand-me-downs or like I also wait for big budget sales to pick up like this chest of drawers or something. So ये नहीं है कि सब कुछ, yeah, this dining table is something I set my eyes on. So I was just like, Solid Bench is this great brand. तो मैं उसके ही पीछे पड़ गई, मुझे चाहिए. And then I'm not somebody who feels that if it's beautiful, it's got to be expensive. But sometimes the smallest things can be priceless also. And that's what the house is built on.
Yeah. Angad, what's home for you?
जहाँ हमारी मिसेज है वो हमारा घर,
वाह.
जहाँ हमारे बच्चे हैं वो हमारा घर, जहाँ हमारे घर के बड़े हैं वो हमारा घर.
पर ये डिजाइन जो है जैसे टाइल्स हो गया, फ्लोरिंग हो गया, कलर्स हो गया, कुछ द डे व्हेन यू ऑल एंटर्ड दिस हाउस, डिड यू हैव दिस विजन
Of the design element.
of the design element?
This design element is totally hers.
House was there and then
Yeah.
doing up a few things and you know we
I
changed.
like
The ceiling,
I like
the
Yeah.
height.
I like height because I just feel that height gives you room.
Yeah.
जगह छोटी भी हो सकती. It doesn't have to be a large space, but I like higher seat.
Yeah.
So when I walked into this and she had chosen this, she said you have to see. The minute I walked in, I saw up. I like यार ये तो घर.
It was impossible for me to get Angad out of that house जहाँ हम पहले रह रहे थे. And then
एक दिन हम वहाँ भी शूट करेंगे, आपको बताऊंगा क्यों. वो घर मुझे बहुत मेरे ना बहुत करीब है वो.
You all have still kept the house?
Yes.
Oh wow.
ऑल्सो सुकून बहुत जरूरी चीज होती है टचवुड. हर जगह ना जब जाओ तो हम यहाँ पे भी घर आते हैं ना वापस, वो एक जो चाय के कप में या फिर वो एक
चाय मैं बनाता हूँ
एक सैंडविच और चाय का कप या अंडा टोस्ट खा के बड़ी चीजें नहीं होती हैं. जो सुकून होता है, बच्चे जो उठते हैं उसमें भी उनकी आवाजों में भी सुकून है. और जब बच्चे सो रहे होते हैं तब हम उठ के ना वी गेट अप एन आवर बिफोर, वी सिट इनसाइड, लेट्स गो इनसाइड वेयर वी एक्चुअली सिट, यू नो इट्स अ प्लेस वेयर वी सिट एंड हैव टी. तो वहां पे भी ऐसे लगता है कि ओ दिन अच्छा होगा, या फिर जब दिन खत्म होता है तो रात को जस्ट लाइक अ नाइट कैप, व्हाटएवर यू सिटिंग, यू हैविंग योर डिजर्ट, व्हाटएवर, ग्रीन टी, कैमोमाइल टी, बैठ के ऐसे लगता है अब दिन खत्म हो गया, यू हैव योर पीस कॉर्नर
जी।
एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट इज। मतलब दुनिया इधर से उधर तुम्हारी हो जाए, पर एंड में यू वांट टू कम बैक टू योर लव्ड वंस, टू योर सेफ स्पेस, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी वांटेड टू बिल्ड। And then we work on it every day. ऐसा नहीं है नहीं, like there is an empty wall here and like I've not found the art for it, तो मैंने नहीं डाला है because I don't know, I want something busy, something less, something more. बीच में कुछ अच्छा लगा था पर वो बातचीत वहीं रह गई, but there is no rush, so you don't have to, एक दिन में घर नहीं बनता है
जी,
but और रोज बनाना पड़ता है, you know, and it's like a lot of work and you put in those work hours every day to make sure that you know this is what it is, and it should come with no pressure.
Yeah.
किसी दिन, कई दिन ऐसे होते हैं जब कुछ भी ठीक नहीं होता है, और हमारे घर में भी कभी कोई प्लम्बिंग इशू, इलेक्ट्रिकल इशू, कोई कुछ कोई वहां से पर्दा गिर गया, कुछ ये नहीं है, पर ये तो हर जगह होता है ना
जी।
But there is love in the chaos and the madness.
जी, बिफोर वी मूव आउट इन द नेक्स्ट रूम, मुझे बताओ आप दोनों का पीसफुल कॉर्नर कौन सा है? कहाँ
अलग अलग
बैठ
है,
के-
अलग अलग।
When we are not sitting with each other is what he means, but मेरे लिए नहीं, I want to sit with him. Let's show
अलग
this.
अलग।
हाँ, let's go.
क्या? Let's
टू बी हस्बैंड्स, पीसफुल कॉर्नर क्या होता है? जहाँ आपको पीस मिले, सुकून मिले, शांति मिले, सुख मिले।
जहाँ आप अकेले बैठ पाओ।
मेरे लिए
अलग-अलग।
पीसफुल कॉर्नर होता है जहाँ आपको अपना हस्बैंड वन पीस में मिले। चलो।
Do you guys read?
Yeah,
Yeah,
come.
this is my father's. This is a forward Bishan Singh Bedi, a celebration of the life and art of him, the Sadar of Spin.
Yeah.
It's a book. I have 2-3 more other books.
बहुत स्पेशल होगा ना ये बुक?
Yeah. See, these are like, that's the Queen. That's with Kapil Dev. That's Imran Khan. That's Sunil Gavaskar. I love black and
Yeah,
white images.
yeah, even I love black and white. You're also a big sports enthusiast, right?
He used
Yeah.
to play cricket.
Yeah.
I used to play. I played like age group. I represented Delhi under 16, under 19.
He recently participated in some competitive sport also.
Yes,
Kuch.
I'm a 400-meter sprinter. My father always wanted me to represent the country.
Hmm.
और क्रिकेट में तो नहीं हो पाया
जी।
बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट मेंट टू बी आई गेस, बट इवन व्हेन ही वाज एलिंग ही सेड दैट आपकी फिल्में तो देख ली, कुछ हिंदुस्तान के लिए करो. एंड देन ही सेड बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज ड्रीम्ड ऑफ मी रनिंग फास्ट. ही वाज नेवर अ गुड एथलीट हिमसेल्फ, सो ही वांटेड मी टू बी अ गुड एथलीट बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज बिलीव्ड इन 2 things. ही सेड दैट कोई भी स्पोर्ट या कला आप सीख लोगे, बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ गुड एथलीट.
Yeah.
And he wanted me to represent the country. So when in his last few years, when he was really ailing, he said, "Why don't you run fast? Why don't you run for the country?" So that's how I said, "But I think I passed my prime." And he said, "No, you can give it a shot." So I did, and then the gold
Yeah,
happened for
yes.
India, and that's a wonderful memory. Unfortunately, he was not there to see it, which I wanted, and he also wanted. But yeah. It was done for him.
Yeah.
हाँ जी, अब आप बताओ भाई, आप यहाँ 3 बारी देख चुके हो इसको।
नहीं नहीं, मेरे को साफ देखने साफ है कि नहीं. This is by Viraj Khanna, Anamika Khanna's son, very budding new talent. That's by Viraj Khanna. That's a NYC tube station map with vegetable print, which I literally picked up for $5. And
From?
From New York.
New York.
And it got painted, and we just framed it. That's a birthday present gifted to me by Angad.
हम हमेशा दो किस्म के घर देखते हैं, या तो लोग अपने घर पे बहुत फ्रेम्स रखते हैं, हर वॉल भर के रखते हैं, या एक ऐसा भी सेक्शन होता है जो थोड़ा मिनिमलिस्टिक रखता है.
I feel like a lot of the space element came in by Nikita. A lot of the design element also was a combination.
Also, I don't like a house which is too crowded.
Too crowded. We did.
I just feel that I get suffocated in houses where they ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, ये भी देखो, and nothing is making.
And also, like, you know, for things,
I
everything
feel
has a
have
story.
one piece.
Yeah, like this Chester.
Yeah.
It's from mom's house,
Yes.
right? It's
Amritsar, ये भी
Amritsar, almost again more than like must be 80, 90, 100 years old pure wood. अभी भी वो see this ये जो है अंदर we've got some
It has a rustic feel.
yeah memorabilia. So you have
ये वो
modern.
अमृतसर के घर से आया है.
ये हमारे पुराने घर से है. So everything is upscale. Like this lamp is almost 15-20 years old, but I've had it from the beginning. Or like, you know, some things are new, some things are old, some things are interesting, some things tell a story.
Yeah.
So everything has a heart,
Yeah.
you know, and that's the most important thing. Speaking of heart, I want to express my love for you, Angad, the way I do every mid-afternoon by making a cup of coffee.
तो अंगद जब तक नेहा कॉफी बना के आ रही है,
एक बेस्ट कैपुचिनो बनाती है.
सच्ची
हाँ, पता नहीं आपके नसीब में है नहीं है.
अब मैं बोलता हूँ उनको मेरे लिए भी बनाने, लेकिन
Yes, my
आपका एक
favorite
special
wall.
wall
Come,
है.
I'll show you my favorite wall. This is it. These are all black and white pictures of my father playing cricket for India. Some wonderful memories of his with his teammates. That's Alan Knott. That's him there. That's P.S. Chandrasekhar. That's Irapalli Prasanna. Some major legendary stalwarts of cricket. That's Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. Yeah, and that's something that I always aspired. I had dreams to be a left-arm spinner and play cricket for India, but destiny had other plans of me being an actor. कोई नहीं, एक और जन्म होगा तो हिंदुस्तान के लिए इंशाल्लाह खेलेंगे. But yes, this is my most favorite wall because every day I come here, I pray here, I seek his blessings, and then I head out to work because I feel that ये जो पूरी दीवार है ना, इसको मैं धीरे धीरे करके उनकी फोटोग्राफ्स के साथ भर दूंगा. Because I feel when I get up, I still want to see his face in the morning. ये मंजी है, ये it's come from Amritsar, from my Dada's house. It's the house in Putlighar, and which has very fond memories of us growing up. My father was also born there. और ये मंजी हम वहाँ से लेकर आए. This is a gift from my mother to us. And इस पे हर कोई बैठा है. इस पर मेरे पिताजी का भी जन्म हुआ. इस पे वो बड़े हुए. इस पर वो खेले. इस पर फिर मैं खेला. फिर मेहर खेली. फिर कुरिक खेला. So it's got lovely memories attached. The only thing that I feel जो इनकम्प्लीट रह गई थी कि जब हमें घर मिला and my father was very sick and he really wanted to come, but unfortunately he could not make it to this house. But this Manji has made it to our house. और कॉफी होगी खत्म. That was great, honey. The coffee was outstanding.
I know.
Just
Thank
like
you.
minimalist.
And outside. No, so I really want to say कि जो हमारे घर में सबसे ज्यादा जो रौनक लगती है ना वो यहाँ चाहे दोनों बच्चे हों बच्चों के दोस्त and I love our house full of people kids everything and yeah this is
मेरी 20 महीने की बच्ची है तो I can understand कि it's so special.
yeah
जब
it's
अगर
so
आपकी
special.
मिसेज आपको घर से बाहर निकाल देना आप यहाँ आ जाना.
हाँ done.
ये घर आपके लिए हमेशा खुला
it's
रहेगा.
it's the
और अगर यहाँ पे हमारी मिसेज हम दोनों को बाहर निकाल लेंगे हम कहीं और चले जाएंगे.
अमृतसर चलेंगे हम.
बिल्कुल.
है ना?
वो भी घर आपके लिए हमेशा खुला
जी.
yeah it's the cute Kaleshi corner come.
Let's go.
Please, please, please. आओ.
Yeah.
Obviously there's one little cutie in my house who's Angad.
This is the hanging spot. Take the hanging spot. This is the monkey bar.
This is where Gurik works out. With
Meher,
Papa?
Meher, she's the gymnast.
Oh wow.
And also she loves her doggies.
हाँ.
Big demand for her 7th birthday that we get a pet. So we're talking about it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, first lesson in responsibility. We're getting closer and closer. उनको देखो कुछ हो रहा है.
Yeah, this is
Hulk.
Hulk. These are his gloves. So he's a big. उसको Hulk भी पसंद है.
हाँ.
Spider-Man. He goes through phases. Before he was a Hulk fan, then he became a Spider-Man fan, and now recently he's a Superman. So he's going through that. So I have a lot of masks.
Very cool stuff.
I'll show you the mask.
मैं भी रह जाऊँ क्या यहाँ पे?
हाँ, अभी मैं तो बता रहा हूँ.
बहुत cool stuff है ये तो.
ये पेन.
हाँ, लाओ.
यार ये शुरू हो गया. We're ready with our new superhero film. बड़ा tight है mask.
Yeah, my debut also.
चलिए.
Damn cool. नेहा, अंगद, थैंक यू फॉर अलाउइंग अस इनटू योर होम. इट इज़, जैसे मैं पहले बोला, एक जॉयफुल घर है, खुशहाल घर है और वो दिख के आता है. तो थैंक यू सो मच.